Okay, good morning, everyone. Today is July 9th, kind of an important day because I have to explain the test to you. But let's take a look at what you have to do for your assignments first. Let's see here. We're going to be working on Quizlet as the first thing today after I explain the test and we do our first round of counter because I want to do that this week as well. But this will be the study set for this week. You have your second grammar quiz. That will be due on, when is that? That'll be due on the 19th. So that'll be a little while from now. Keep going. So for the test, I'm going to put you into partners. And the partner can be anybody that you want, anybody that helps you speak, feel relaxed with. So you choose that partner, and in the partner name and student submission, I want you to type your partner's name and student number into the submission. Only your partner's name. Oh, and also, please write it in Roman letters. Don't write it in kanji, okay? I'm not very good at kanji for names. So please use Roman letters for that. Okay, after we get that done, then I'll go over the details of the test. Let's see here. I also want to ask you a favor. You always have feedback for all of your classes in Japanese, but this one is specifically for me, only for me. And I made it so that then you don't need to write your names. So I don't know who is writing what on these semester feedbacks, okay? But you can be honest. Say, to be as honest as you can be, because I read these and most of them are very nice, and I'm glad about that. But sometimes somebody writes, I didn't like this. I want Cruz to change this. And those can be very, very helpful. It's nice to hear that you like what I do. Most of the time I get that, but where you tell me this is what I didn't like, that can actually help me. So I want you to do that. That is due on basically the end of the month, so you have a bit of time. But please don't forget, okay? As always, you have your reflection. That will be due this Friday. This is about how, for a lot of you, you think that in life, one of the goals that you have is to be happy. Want to be a happy person. And I agree, that's an important goal. But this is a different attitude about what is important. And one of them is about not becoming unhappy, which is a different thing. It is very easy to become unhappy. Life can make you very sad sometimes. And being happy is a goal, but another skill is don't become unhappy. So please watch the video, write your ideas, send them up to this article. Okay? So yeah, that covers it. Oh, and next week is the last chance that we have to practice for the test. So again, another important class, as that's your first real chance, really good chance to practice with your partner in groups of 4. After that, then we're on to tests. The Moodle test will be on July 23rd. Moodle test, come on. That's saying on the Moodle test is on July 23rd, and then the conversation test is on July 30th. As I said last week, August 6th is an option that I will use. You do not have to come unless I call you. Okay? Alrighty. So if you have any questions about any of this, please email me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, come and talk to me in class. Okay, everybody. Thanks. Let's have a good class.